You're lucky you got a good doggy. You love him? Yeah. Be nice. Be nice. Good Lord. Sure. He was just sleeping. Why don't you let him sleep? Don't stick your arm. You see, he wants to go to sleep. What's he gonna? He's gonna go to sleep. Here he wants to sleep. Night day. Dog. Doze? Is it dozer? Is it doze? Hey, let his gums go. Goodness.